If you could add 10 extra years to your life, what would you do with that time? Would you spend more moments with loved ones, travel to places you've always dreamed of, finally pick up that hobby you've been putting off? Most people assume that aging means slowing down, losing energy, and eventually facing unavoidable health issues. But what if I told you that science has revealed proven ways to extend your life, even after 70? The truth is, your lifestyle choices have more power over your longevity than your genetics. In today's video, we're diving into simple yet powerful changes that can help you not just live longer but live better, with more energy, strength, and happiness. So let's get started. 1. Prioritize movement, even in small doses. One of the biggest factors in longevity is staying active, but that doesn't mean you have to run marathons or lift heavy weights. Studies show that even moderate daily movement can add years to your life. Doctors often say, motion is lotion for the body. The more you move, the more you keep your joints, muscles, and heart in good condition. So how can you incorporate more movement into your day? Go for daily walks. Walking just 30 minutes a day can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Try balance and flexibility exercises. Yoga, Tai Chi, or simple stretching keeps you mobile and reduces your risk of falls. Use strength training. Light resistance exercises, even using your own body weight, help maintain muscle mass, which is critical for longevity. Even household activities count. Gardening, cleaning, and even playing with grandkids all keep your body moving. And the best part? It's never too late to start. Studies show that people who start exercising even in their 70s still see massive improvements in their health. 2. Eat the right nutrients for longevity. You've probably heard the phrase, "you are what you eat," and when it comes to longevity, the foods you consume play a major role. The longest living populations, like those in Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy, follow specific diets that keep their bodies in peak condition well into their 90s and even hundreds. Here's what you should focus on. Increase plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains are rich in antioxidants that fight aging. Eat more healthy fats. Olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish like salmon support heart and brain health. Limit processed foods and sugar. These speed up aging and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to kidney problems, fatigue, and confusion. Drinking enough water is a simple but effective way to stay healthy. And here's something critical. Most people over 70 aren't getting enough vitamin D and K2, which are essential for strong bones and heart health. That's why at Elderly Essentials, we've developed a high-quality bone and heart health supplement designed specifically to help seniors maintain their vitality. Vitamin D3 helps absorb calcium, keeping bones strong and reducing the risk of fractures. Vitamin K2 ensures calcium goes to your bones, not your arteries, promoting both bone strength and heart health. If you want to stay active and independent for years to come, check out the link in the description below to order your supplement today. 3. Maintain strong social connections. Here's a surprising fact. Loneliness is as dangerous as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Many studies have shown that people who stay socially active live longer and healthier lives. Human connection reduces stress, strengthens the immune system, and even helps prevent dementia. Here's how you can keep strong relationships in your later years. Prioritize time with family and friends. Even a quick phone call or coffee date can improve your mood and well-being. Join social groups. Whether it's a church group, a book club, or a local fitness class, being around others keeps you mentally and emotionally sharp. Volunteer or mentor. Helping others gives a sense of purpose and fulfillment that directly contributes to a longer, happier life. Even if you're naturally introverted, simply being around people, even in small amounts, can have a huge impact on your longevity. 4. Manage stress and improve sleep. Chronic stress and poor sleep are some of the biggest killers when it comes to aging. They weaken the immune system, increase the risk of heart disease, and lead to mental decline. Here's what you can do. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Just 10 minutes a day can lower stress hormones and improve overall well-being. Follow a sleep routine. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time each day. Avoid screens before bed and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Stay positive. Studies show that optimistic people tend to live longer. Laughter, gratitude, and focusing on the good in life can actually boost your health. 5. Keep your mind sharp. Did you know that your brain has the ability to grow and change at any age? Cognitive decline is not inevitable. The key to keeping your brain sharp is to challenge it regularly. Here's how you can do that. Learn new skills. Whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, or even using technology, learning keeps your brain active. Play brain games, puzzles, chess, and word games help improve memory and problem-solving skills. Read daily. Reading books, newspapers, or even online articles helps keep the mind engaged in learning. By continuously stimulating your brain, you lower your risk of dementia and cognitive decline. 6. Get regular checkups and preventative care. One of the best ways to add years to life is to stay on top of your health through regular doctor visits. Many serious illnesses can be prevented or managed if caught early. Here's what you should do. Schedule annual checkups. Blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes screenings can catch health issues before they become serious. Get vaccinated. Flu, pneumonia, and shingles vaccines are especially important for older adults. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. Early detection is key. Final thoughts. Small changes, big impact. Adding 10 extra years to your life isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about small, consistent habits that add up over time. Move your body daily. Eat the right nutrients. Stay socially engaged. Manage stress and sleep well. Keep your brain active. Get regular checkups. And don't forget, taking care of your bones and heart is crucial. If you're serious about living longer and staying active, check out our Bone and Heart Health Supplement in the description below. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tip will you start implementing first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Because remember, it's never too late to invest in your health and future.